In this video, we are going to talk about algebraic fraction in terms of addition and subtraction. To begin with, we have to make sure that you understand the meaning of addition of a fraction like this. So let's look at this one. Okay, do you remember how to do calculation for this? Do not use a calculator. You're going to find out the LCM of 3 and 4. Here, we will name it to be the denominator. Okay, these two, the denominator. That is why you find out the denominator. So you have 2 times 4, so that they have the LCM times 3. So you have 12 here and 12 here. So at the end you have 7 over 12. So this one you should remember, okay? And then if we change a little bit, okay, this time maybe we have this one. So again, find out the LCM of 2 and 3. That is why you know this one should be 6. So you have to make the denominator become 6. Okay? That is why you should have something like this. You have 2 over 6 minus 3 over 6. So you have negative 1 over 6. So when you have this concept, now we can deal with something else. Let's look at this one. A very typical question. Can you add them together? Okay? To add them together, basically you just have to add them directly because they have the same denominator. After addition, simplify the term by looking for the common factor, like this. And then I'm going to solve another one will be, okay, 1 over 2x minus 1 over 3x. So this time you're going to make out the LCM. So this one should be 6x. Okay, 6x. So that is why you can see that you have 3 over 6x minus 2 over 6x. So you have 1 over 6x. Okay, so you can see that you should know how to deal with the same denominator or different denominator. And now let's look at another one. Okay, like this one. Maybe minus 2x squared 3y like this. So this time the LCM, okay, basically you can just find out what they have and what they do not share. So this one you times 2x, okay, and then you have 2y times 2x. For the previous one you have 2x squared times 5, and here 3y times 5. Okay, that is why you have 10x squared, here 4xy. And for this one, you have 15y and 10x squared. So you can have your answer to be this. Okay. So just make sure that you know how to do the simplification for this one. Okay, and then we will look at some example like this one. Very typical. When you see the denominator, they look very similar. So this time, I guess you can see this one, we change it to minus, then you have a minus b as well. So you will have 6 minus 2 over a minus b. So you have 4 over a minus b, like this. Okay? And then we'll have another one. Okay, this time maybe we have a 3p over p plus q minus negative 5p over 4p plus q. So this time, for the first term or first item, we times 4, so that you can see that the denominator become the same. Okay? And then you have 12p and minus negative 5p here over 4 times p plus q. So that is why you have 12p plus 5p over 4 times p plus q. So you have 7p over 4 times p plus q. Okay, sometimes you may see an integer, okay, like 3 minus 1 over 2x. How to deal with this one? Okay, you should know that actually 3 times 1, you can change it to 2x over 2x. So actually what you have will be 6x minus 2x minus this 1 over 2x. So you have 6x minus 1 over 2x.